Hey everyone, I'm Jason Chapman and welcome to MarineMax Rogers. Today we're going to take a look at a recent trade-in that we just took in. This is a 2007 Sea Ray 290 SLX. Starting up here at the bow, we do have our windlass anchor and spotlight. This does have the classic Sea Ray blue hull side color and white hull bottom. Our tower up top, and then this does have a bimini as well for sun protection. And then as we make our way back to the swim platform, you can see we have a lot of room back here to move about. Our ladder to get in and out of the boat, and this does have the Mercruiser 496 mag Bravo 3, so it's going to be 370 horsepower. It's going to be a lot of power when you're on the water. So let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. Starting up here in the bow, we do have a windlass anchor on this boat. A lot of seating on either side, and then storage underneath the cushions, cup holders on either side, and then a spot up here in the bow to put a table. And then as you look through the flooring of the boat, this is going to be snap-in carpet, and then you can also take that out and clean underneath it. We have a lot of storage underneath the helm right here, and then this also does have a head. So coming towards the helm, we have our flip-up bolster right here, our tilt steering wheel, and then this does have all your standard tacks and gauges. In-floor storage right here, and then a neat setup on the port side. You have seating facing forwards and backwards, so a couple different spots to hang out here and relax. This boat does have a wet bar on it, and then storage below, and also a refrigerator. I'll go ahead and show that to you as well. And then at the stern of the boat, wraparound seating. We do have a nice center walkthrough to the stern of the boat or the swim platform, and this cushion also does pop out. Again, guys, this is a 2007 Sea Ray 290 SLX. It's located here at our store in Rogers. Come on by and take a look. We'd love to show you around.